Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a Fidelity credit card. First, you'll want to explore the various Fidelity credit card options to find the one that best suits your financial goals. Next, gather all required personal and financial information to ensure a smooth application process. We'll then walk through the online application form, highlighting key sections to complete accurately. Finally, I'll share some helpful tips for a successful submission and what to expect afterward. Before applying, it's important to understand the eligibility criteria. Generally, a strong credit history is preferred, often indicating a credit score above 670. You must be at least 18 years of age and a United States resident. Be prepared to provide your Social Security number, annual income, and details about your employment. Having your current residential address and contact information readily available will also streamline the process. To begin, navigate to the official Fidelity credit card application portal. Once there, carefully choose the specific Fidelity card product you wish to apply for, such as the Fidelity Rewards Visa Signature Card. Proceed to fill in all required fields, including personal details, contact information, and financial data. Double-check every entry for accuracy to avoid any delays. Finally, read through the terms and conditions before clicking the Submit button. For the best experience, consider applying during regular business hours, as this can sometimes lead to faster processing. After submission, keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your application status. If you have any questions or encounter issues, don't hesitate to contact Fidelity's customer service for assistance. You can typically expect to receive a decision on your application within 3 to 7 business days, sometimes even sooner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.